Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated French Vanilla Cappuccino, Pineapple, and Passion Fruit. First thing you gotta do is you open up this mix, do 1 and 2, and then after that you put in the water. And after that, you put this on there, and then after that, you open up this pineapple and passion fruit and sweet water, which is a hot drink. There we go. Then we test it. After that. Awesome. And here is your French vanilla cappuccino, pineapple and passion fruit, and by the way, it's carbonated. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.